So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I just want to present you briefly some amazing tools that Google is working on and which are going to blow your mind. So if you don't know yet, we already have video generation tools which are coming up very shortly. So we already have image generation tools which allow you to create amazing AI images, and I'm sure you've already seen all those AI images going around, but now we are going to the next level with video generation images, and Google is working on an amazing suite of tools which are going to allow you to do just that. We equally have ChatGPT, which or OpenAI, the company, who are working on a tool named Sora, which is going to allow you to do that. If you didn't know about that, let me just kind of give you a little peek of that OpenAI Sora. And OpenAI Sora is equally a video generation generator, if you prefer an AI video an AI video generator, sorry, that allows you to create videos just with a text prompts. That's what OpenAI are currently working on, and I believe is going to be released in the upcoming days. And so this is a little bit the interface. Oh no, so this another one instead. This is not even Sora, this is imagine.art, which is basically another tool which allows you to generate videos with AI. So the correct URL for Sora is instead this openai.com/index/Sora. So that's where you can see Sora, which is a video generation tool. So as you can see, this video, believe it or not, it's totally generated. This was not shot with a camera, but it's AI which generated all of these videos, and you have the other ones as well just by the side that you can take a look at. So you can see we already have AI capable of generating amazingly realistic videos. It's quite amazing what this can do. As you can see, you might be thinking this is a film, this is a movie, but this is not. This is something that is totally generated by AI. And so we have these companies who have started working on these tools, and Google is involved, OpenAI is involved, and as you can see, there are even other companies which are less popular, I'll say, which are involved as well. So this already looks quite amazing, you know. It looks quite, realistic. If we see something like this, we can take a look at it and see how it works. And you equally have Google with their Video FX Labs tool, which allows you to do just that. So for example, take a look at this video. They're having a lot of them. Going through all of them is quite amazing, but we'll try to just cover a little bit of what they can do and see this one. For example, this video that you see was generated using these prompts: alpacas wearing knit wool sweaters, graffiti background, sunglasses, alpacas dancing to the beat. It comes also with the audio and the video. So we can continue down and see other videos. You see, brightly colored blue air doll dancing like crazy in a parking lot on a sunny day. You see, it looks really, really photorealistic. I think the only reason why you will not believe this is realistic is just because of how big the head is. But aside from that, this could look like somebody dancing with a costume. So you have some other videos like that are just on and on and on. And you can already take a look at all these tools and what they're able to do. And keep in mind, they're only going to get better and better. This is just going to get better and better. So you see, these videos are so amazing. We could spend all the day going through each and every one of them, but really you can just take a look at them and see how impressive they are already right about now. It's quite amazing. So we equally have this tool too, which is coming up strong. So as you can see, just with a prompt like this, a happy boy eating juicy big hamburger, happy feeling on the face, DSLR professional videography, you can generate such an image. I know right now it feels oversaturated and cartoony, but imagine that this only gets better. It's gonna become way too realistic, and you're having some other images like this. Look at this, feels really realistic, and you can see it getting real. This looks like a whole movie. This is already feeling way too realistic. I won't be able to tell the difference between this and a real video. Others are like, you can equally generate cartoons as well. You can generate really some amazing shots. Everything you can imagine, now you can get it as images, but now you can also get get it, sorry, as videos. So it's getting crazy, like it's really getting crazy. I didn't even know about this till I started making this video, imagine.art, but this already feels quite amazing, quite wonderful. So imagine this now put into your whole creative process. You can make all sorts of videos, you can get free images already with AI, but now you can get as well videos that you can include. So guys, definitely check out these 3 tools. You have Sora. I think Sora is already available, or you have to join a waiting list. Google's version Video FX, you definitely have to join the waiting list. It's not yet available, at least not in the country I'm in. And you equally have Sora. So check out Google's video. Look at this. It's hard to believe this is AI. It feels way too realistic. So guys, definitely AI is really going out of hand. We definitely are going to be seeing a lot more of videos coming out, so you definitely want to be there to check them out and see how you can make use of this in your whole workflow. So let me know if you want more videos about this and what you can be doing. So as you can even see from this, you have shots. You can use this to generate shots, you can use this to generate video filters, and even to translate videos as well. Wow, that's crazy amazing. So I'm impressed by this, just making this video. Anyways guys, definitely check out this tool. I believe you can already use this one, but I'm not going to be testing it out in this video. Maybe in the future I will. So Sora is also coming on very soon with some amazing videos, and you have the last one, Video FX. So definitely check it out. Let me know the different videos you have been able to produce. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.